Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix OneDrive no longer starting automatically on your Windows computer. Without any further ado, let's get started. Start by navigating to your Windows desktop and opening your Start menu. You can do this by clicking the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen or simply pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. This is where you'll access all the tools needed to resolve this startup issue. Once your Start menu has opened, you'll need to access your Task Manager window to fix OneDrive's automatic startup. In the search bar at the bottom of the Start menu, type in Task Manager and press Enter. This powerful utility gives you control over which programs launch when your computer boots up, and it's exactly what we need to get OneDrive running automatically again. After pressing Enter, a Task Manager window will appear on your screen displaying various tabs and information about your system's performance and running applications. From here, direct your attention to the top of the window where you'll see several tabs. Click on the Startup tab to view all the applications configured to launch when Windows starts. This tab is specifically designed to manage your startup programs, making it easy to enable or disable apps from running automatically. Now you'll see a complete list of apps that automatically run when your Windows computer boots up. This list shows you everything that's configured to start with Windows along with their current status and startup impact. Scroll through this list carefully and look for the OneDrive entry. It might appear as Microsoft OneDrive or just OneDrive depending on your system configuration. Once you've located the OneDrive entry in the list, right-click on it. A context menu will appear with several options for managing this application. From this list of options, click on Enable. This action tells Windows to automatically launch Microsoft OneDrive every time your computer starts up, ensuring your files stay synced without you having to manually open the application each time. And that's it. Your Microsoft OneDrive will now automatically launch when your Windows PC boots up, keeping your files synchronized and accessible right from startup. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.